Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and luxurious creations from BYD, the 2026 BYD Motorhome. This isn't just another RV, it's a bold step into the future of smart travel, sustainability, and comfort on wheels. BYD has truly redefined what a motorhome can be, blending high-end technology, electric innovation, and home-like luxury in a way that sets a new benchmark in the industry. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BYD Motorhome immediately captures attention with its ultra-modern design. The body features sleek aerodynamic curves crafted from lightweight composite materials to maximize efficiency and range. The LED light strips wrap seamlessly around the vehicle, giving it a futuristic glow both day and night. The front design showcases BYD's signature dynamic grille, flanked by intelligent laser headlights that automatically adjust brightness based on road conditions. The motorhome sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels with adaptive suspension that adjusts to terrain, ensuring stability whether you're gliding down highways or exploring off-road destinations. On the side, you'll find smart retractable steps, solar-integrated roof panels, and hidden storage compartments that blend perfectly with the smooth, flowing body lines. Everything about this design screams innovation. From the panoramic roof that can tint automatically to the aerodynamic tail section that reduces drag and improves overall performance. Stepping inside feels like walking into a luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 BYD Motorhome interior is designed around comfort, smart living, and elegance. Premium sustainable leather, soft touch panels, and ambient lighting give the cabin a warm and inviting feel. The main lounge area features a spacious seating arrangement with convertible recliners, a foldable dining table, and large panoramic windows that bring the outside world right to your seat. The advanced smart control system allows you to adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment with simple voice commands, or through BYD's intuitive touchscreen interface. The motorhome also features a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooking, an eco-refrigerator, and even an automated coffee maker. In the rear, the master suite provides a full-size bed, a private entertainment screen, and hidden storage compartments. The bathroom design includes a rain shower, eco-friendly water recycling system, and a modern vanity setup that rivals high-end hotels. Every inch of the interior has been optimized to combine practicality with premium luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is a game-changer. It runs entirely on BYD's next-generation Blade battery technology, offering exceptional safety, faster charging, and a real-world range of up to 700 kilometers on a full charge. Dual electric motors deliver instant torque, giving this massive motorhome surprising acceleration and smooth, silent performance on every road type. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures perfect traction on wet, snowy, or rugged surfaces, making it ideal for long adventures. BYD has also integrated regenerative braking technology, allowing the vehicle to recover energy while slowing down. It includes multiple driving modes, eco, comfort, and adventure, that adjust suspension height, steering response, and power output to match your journey. The intelligent driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic parking, and 360-degree cameras that make handling this large vehicle effortless. Now, let's talk about the pricing and overall value. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is expected to start around $280,000, depending on configuration and battery size. Considering the technology, luxury, and eco-friendly powertrain it offers, this price point feels justified for a motorhome that's both a travel companion and a futuristic home on wheels. For those who want full off-grid independence, optional upgrades include expanded solar capacity, satellite internet, and an autonomous driving package. In conclusion, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than just transportation. It's a statement about the future of electric travel. With its cutting-edge design, luxurious interior, and groundbreaking electric performance, BYD has built a masterpiece that transforms road trips into a futuristic lifestyle experience. If you're looking for a vehicle that brings the comfort of a home, the technology of tomorrow, and the sustainability of electric power all in one, this is the motorhome to watch. So, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Car Xplorer for more futuristic automotive reviews.